Imagine a meeting where everyone talks over each other. One person is overly optimistic, another criticizes every idea, while a third just wants to move on. Sounds familiar? Now imagine the same meeting where everyone agrees to wear one kind of thinking at a time. Creative, critical, factual, emotional, or objective. Suddenly, the chaos turns into clarity. This is the power of Edward de Bono's 6 thinking hats, one of the most practical tools for structured thinking and better decision-making. What are the 6 thinking hats? Dr. Edward de Bono, a pioneer in creative thinking, introduced the 6 thinking hats method to help individuals and teams think more effectively by separating different modes of thought. Each hat represents a specific type of thinking. Instead of mixing emotions, logic, and creativity at once, the hats help us focus on one mindset at a time. White hat, the hat of facts and information. The white hat focuses on data, facts, and evidence. It asks, what do we know? What do we need to find out? For example, in a business case study on market expansion, wearing the white hat means collecting figures, market size, competitor data, pricing, and customer demographics without making judgments. It's the information gathering phase. Red hat, the hat of emotions and intuition. The red hat represents feelings, hunches, and intuition. It allows team members to express gut reactions honestly. I feel this idea might upset customers, or I sense the timing isn't right. In management discussions, this hat validates emotional insight that often influences real-world decisions, but gets ignored in rational meetings. Black hat, the hat of caution and critical judgment. The black hat is the voice of risk awareness and critical thinking. It asks, what could go wrong? What are the weaknesses or limitations? For instance, when evaluating a new product launch, the black hat highlights possible failures, high production costs, unclear branding, or supply chain bottlenecks. It helps prevent costly mistakes. Yellow hat, the hat of optimism and benefits. The yellow hat takes the opposite approach, focusing on positives, opportunities, and benefits. In a business case, the yellow hat might identify how a new digital marketing strategy could increase customer engagement or strengthen brand loyalty. It's about seeing potential and value, even when risks exist. Green hat, the hat of creativity and alternatives. The green hat is all about innovation and new ideas. It encourages what-if thinking. When analyzing a management problem, say declining employee motivation, the green hat helps brainstorm unconventional solutions like gamified rewards, flexible hours, or AI-driven training. Creativity flows best when judgment is temporarily suspended. Blue hat, the hat of process and control. Finally, the blue hat acts as the manager of the thinking process. It organizes how the other hats are used and ensures balanced participation. It ensures that thinking stays disciplined and productive. Let us understand how to use 6 hats in business management case study discussion. For instance, in a case study about a company facing declining sales, the white hat focuses on gathering data about past performance and customer trends, while the red hat considers employee morale and customer sentiment. The black hat identifies potential risks in changing product lines, and the yellow hat explores opportunities in new markets. The green hat encourages creative ideas for marketing or diversification, and the blue hat manages the overall process to ensure logical flow and well-balanced decisions. This structured approach prevents one style of thinking from dominating the discussion and leads to more balanced, well-reasoned strategies. Dear viewers, To conclude this, the 6 thinking hats isn't just a thinking technique. It's a framework for collaboration, clarity, and creativity. In classrooms, boardrooms, or brainstorming sessions, it turns confusion into coordination. By deliberately switching hats, teams can explore problems from every angle, make smarter decisions, and build a culture where both logic and imagination thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates or team. Let's spread smarter thinking together. Comment below and tell us, which hat do you wear most often?